Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Kraken in GTA 5. First, you need to unlock the Kraken Submarine. This special vehicle becomes available after you achieve 100% game completion. Once you reach this milestone, you'll gain access to the Death at Sea Strangers and Freaks mission. Completing this mission is the only way to add the Kraken to your personal fleet. Once unlocked, you can't just find the Kraken anywhere. To use it, you'll need to call Pegasus Lifestyle Management from your in-game phone. Select the Kraken from their vehicle list, and they will deliver it to a nearby deep-water location. Always check your map for the submarine icon to pinpoint its exact spawn point, as it won't appear directly beside you. Operating the Kraken is straightforward. Use the left analog stick to control its forward, backward, and turning movements, just like a car. The right analog stick is crucial for managing your depth, allowing you to ascend or descend. Don't forget to activate the sonar feature to scan the ocean floor and detect any hidden items or other underwater vehicles. It's a fantastic exploration tool. The Kraken is perfect for exploring the vast underwater world of San Andreas. You can discover hidden wrecks, unique marine life, and secret areas that are otherwise inaccessible. It's also an excellent way to evade land-based pursuers, as they can't follow you deep beneath the waves. Remember, the Kraken is designed for exploration and stealth, not for engaging in combat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.